Hello there, my friends. So I received my SIM kit in the mail, and you can do that by going to sprint.com or T-Mobile. Yeah, so I'm switching from Sprint to T-Mobile here. Everybody is. The whole network is changing. It's crazy. It's insane. Everything's going to be pink from now on. Smash like for me, by the way. So I'm following the instructions here. So I'm pulling them up on my laptop because I thought that'd be easier to follow along with, right? And here it says, step 1, access this page from your phone. Oh, okay. So we're going to do that. So go to the phone, pull up Google Chrome, which is what I use. And I already did it here. But if you haven't done that, that's fine. You just go into search and hit this right here, which is sprint.com/sim. So sprint.com/sim. Right? Yep. Hit go. All right, comes up with this page. And that's the same page I was just on. All right, so the first step is it says back up your voicemail if there are any messages you'd like to keep. Any connected smartwatches nearby will automatically pair. All right, so I really don't care if I keep my voicemails, but I'm going to go ahead and do this because I want to show you guys how to do it. How to save your voicemail. I'm an Android user, so we're going to do Android, and it says open the Sprint visual voicemail app. Tap the menu button, 3 horizontal lines in the upper left. Check to see if auto export is enabled. If yes, you may exit. If not, select Auto Export from the bottom of the list and select Enable Auto Export in the pop-up screen. Exit the app. All right, so we're going to go to voicemail right here. We're going to go to the menu here. We're going to go to, we're going to go to this menu here. We're going to go to Auto Export Enabled. Check to see if Auto Export is enabled. So here's Auto Export. Visual voicemail now has Auto Export feature to save your voice messages. Would you like to turn it on? Sure. Whoa, 224 messages just like that. Done. All right. Now I get to exit the app. Boom. Just like that, all my voicemails were saved. Sweet. All right, let's do step 2. Step 2 is insert the provided SIM tool to open. Insert the provided SIM tool. That's this looking thing here. Right? And pop out the tray. Typically, iPhone users find theirs on the side, while Android users will typically find theirs at the top. Now, I do know where mine is. It is on the top. So I got to take the case off, which I haven't done in a long time. So there's probably a whole bunch of dust in here. Oh, one other thing, by the way. See how I have water here? Move the water out of the way because you don't want that water anywhere near the electronics, okay? All right. So, sure enough, ooh, man, dusty as heck. All right, so at the top, that's what you call a little tiny, that's where the SIM tool goes. All right, so I happen to have my Samsung Galaxy Note 9 box where the SIM tool little thingy came with. I still kept that. But if you didn't keep yours, apparently there's one in this case, in this kit that they sent us, right? So let's see. All right. There's the SIM card right there. See? Nice. Like I said, everything's pink with T-Mobile. All right. And then here's the SIM tool. So, pull this SIM tool out. See? Little SIM tool. All right. So now, clean the dust off of the top of this. So, we take the SIM tool. Find the little tiny hole there. Pop it in. press pretty hard. I mean, you got to press pretty hard. And then that pops up. See how that popped up? All right. I'm going to turn it over. All right. Pull that out. You see I have an extra memory card here, and then there's the SIM card. Okay? That's the SIM card. So, it says, step 3. Replace the existing SIM card with your new T-Mobile card. All right, so this is the existing SIM card. If I turn this over, you can see underneath there's a hole there. So I'm just going to use my finger to kind of pop that out. See how it flipped over? It's kind of popped out. And there's only one way you can put it in, because you see there's a little notch here, a little diagonal notch. There's a little diagonal notch here. So there's only one way this sucker can go in. So you can't mess it up. You really can't. All right, so SIM card. For the best experience, use this SIM. Alrighty. Pull that thing out of there. See, it's in a little plastic clip. So it's in a plastic clip in the credit card size thing, and then it's in another plastic clip there. So, bottom left, line her up. You know what? There's a little bit more plastic around the edges, isn't there? Look at it. See it? See, that's not going to fit. There's a little bit more plastic around the edges here. So, you have to just kind of like take your fingernail around the edge and pop that out. Like that. Now it'll fit. See how it rests in there? Just rests. Okay? Now, let's put that back in. So, phone, face up, right? Camera's on the back, screen's on the front. Pick up the tray. Right? Okay, I'm going to slide that right in there. Try not to disturb the cards or get any dust in there. And then just press really hard until it's flush. Alright, we're good. Now, it says, from your device, turn off Wi-Fi, right? And check your progress below, mobile only. The activation process should only take a few minutes. Alright, so you can see right here on my phone, Wi-Fi is not enabled. So I'm going to start. It says here, SIM card changed. Restart your phone. Restart your phone using your new SIM card. To start using your new SIM card. Your new service provider's apps and settings will be added. Some apps and services installed by your previous service provider will be deleted. Your personal data won't be affected. Okay. So, ready? Restart. It says, please wait. And we'll wait, and I'll edit this part out because, you know why? And it's starting to restart, so that's nice. Now we got another SIM tool hanging around the house. I'll probably put this in a separate location from this box, just in case I ever need it again. Which, you know, every once in a while you need it because you want to change your memory card out. You want to take the pictures off the memory card or something of that nature. Oh, it's restarting. Don't mess with it. Alright. So yeah, so you get one of these kits by going to the T-Mobile website or the Sprint website, and they send it to you for free. So that's kind of cool. Wow, that is pink. Oh my gosh. Well, they're going to call it magenta, but man, is that pink. Alright, Sprint was yellow, T-Mobile's pink. So it looks like the phone is restarted. I'm going to let it go through its process. I'm not going to open anything until it stops like flashing, updating, doing what it does. And now you can see here it says T-Mobile now, where before it said Sprint. So that's pretty cool. So we're pretty sure we have some success here. Alright, looks like I'll try to press swipe to unlock. So it took away my voicemail app, which is why it wanted me to back up my voicemails. So that's kind of interesting. Here, that doesn't say LTE anymore. That says, well, it looks like it's transferring data. Looks like I got a voicemail. It says 4G. I don't know if you can read that, but it says 4G instead of LTE. So that's cool. Because, yeah, this is not a 5G phone. This is a 4G phone. This is the Galaxy Note 9. My alarm just went off. I'll dismiss that. All right, I think we're good. Oh, wait, nope, something else popping up here. That is success. Success. Your SIM swap is complete. Restart your phone to see our new network in action. So that little guy right there, see that little person right there? That's the notification there. Okay. So let's restart the phone. So on the Galaxy Note 9, it's over here on the right. Hit restart and tap it again. Restart swiped open. So I see things popping up here. I don't know what they mean. Looks like it might be updating. All right, I think we're ready to rock and roll. Well, let's look at some apps and see if anything has changed. So Amazon, Sprint. I still have Sprint apps on here, which is weird. I thought those were supposed to be deleted, but that's okay. I don't see a T-Mobile group. Oh, there it is. So there's a T-Mobile group that was added at the end of my apps. Let's pop that up. So it looks like device unlock and T-Mobile. Okay. Device unlock and T-Mobile. These are T-Mobile messages. All right, I think we're done here. Sure 17 minutes going on 18 minutes now, so it didn't take too long. I hope you guys help somebody here, and if you run into trouble, I don't know what to tell you because I'm not an expert, but this was the way I did it, and hopefully it helps you. And if you need to troubleshoot, it helps you like to go back and look at the different steps and see if there's something that you could have done differently. Leave comments below, and if you need to ask any questions, please do. I'll answer what I can, but like I said, I don't work for T-Mobile or anything. I'm just showing you what I did for my device, and it looks like it worked. So have a great day. Smash like. See if you can help somebody without getting caught. Take care.